Good afternoon, it is Friday, June 19th. We're back at the garden to see if we have any other zucchini that we can bring in to add to our zucchini relish. I'm short a few onions, I'm going to pull some of those also. We're going to do the subscriber submission just a little early. Whenever you can vegetables, it takes a little while. First day prep, but since we intend to can tomorrow, we need to get after it today. So I'm going to get the subscriber submission out just a little early. Some of the stuff is tremendous. You're going to be amazed.
Wow, look how weed-free Marlena's garden is. And those butternut squash, that is something.
All right, let's go on into the garden and see what else we can throw into the jars.
Frank and Karen are harvesting their green beans. They're freezing their first batch. They look great. Oh, look at that.
You wouldn't think these would hide so easy. Let's see, we got one here.
Not a bad size.
Ooh, there's a good one.
That's a little bigger. I guess we didn't get them all the other day.
David is a new subscriber and he sent in pictures of his container garden. Tomatoes, squash, more squash, jalapenos, cucumbers, cantaloupe, okra. You're gonna have a feast, David. Jim wanted us to know he's moved one of his horseradishes from the container out to the garden. All right, just for giggles.
Volunteer potato. I want to see what... There's one purple. There's two purple. Look at that. 3, 4, 5, 6. For some reason, I've not been able to buy any purple seed potatoes this year. God saw fit to grow this one here randomly, and we've got a handful of purple potatoes. And while we're out here, let me just double check, see if there's anything else we need to bring in. Bear, the tomato that the wind snapped off is still growing nicely, and we got tomatoes everywhere. The other plant that you gave me is really growing, and it's got tomatoes all over it. We just got to get these tomatoes to turn red.
Ron and Kathy have tomatoes that are turning red. I see a bunch of basil, that is looking tremendous, and those cucumbers are about to climb that trellis. The purple beans do turn green when you cook them. And they taste like green beans when you eat them.
Tater, Bear, you were right.
For everybody who's been following my channel, there really is a bear. The Oregon Spring Determinate tomatoes that he started germinating on January 1st now has tomatoes. I'm impressed. That looks great, Bear. Kristen sent in a picture of Joanne and Tater. Tater's digging Tater's famous taters. Joanne's looking on.
Self-isolating, still not a bad idea. Looks like we still have hot spots. So if you want to be part of the subscriber submissions, show us what you're doing at your house. Click subscribe. Made it really easy. The come plant with me watermark down in the corner, run your cursor over that. The subscribe button will pop up. It's free to subscribe, and the world would love to see what you're doing at your house.
Sheena is a new subscriber, and they're putting in quite a few raised beds. Her first one just went in. She started everything in the greenhouse. Some of the squash is a little leggy, but I think it'll be all right. Look at that help. Can't go wrong there. Thanks for your submission.
I swear they grow as you're standing here talking.
Jeremy, your raised beds are filling out nicely. That watermelon's great. The nice thing about your pet, it will eat bugs.
You've never gardened? It's easy. You can do it. If I can garden and I can, anybody can. Come along for the ride. Thank you for coming to my channel and watching my story from bed prep all the way through the first harvests, and we're only halfway through the summer. I hope I've earned your subscription. Watch out for yourself and your family. This thing may not be over yet. Protect yourself, and God bless you. And I'll see you in the kitchen.
Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.